Alright, today we're going to do a video of a 2007 Okuma Captain L370 big bore. It has an OSP P200L control. Again, it is a big bore machine, so it's a 3.1 inch bore. It has a 10 inch 3-jaw KITAGAWA chuck, tailstock, tool presetter. It has a chip conveyor. That's your Z-axis. That's your X. Index of turret. Nice and smooth. Run the spindle. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 1,500. That's 2,000. That's 2,500 RPM. Max speed is 4,500. All right, good tailstock. There's your quill on your tailstock. It's a drag along type with the manual pin. This machine can be seen under power in Harrison, New Jersey. Thank you for watching.